Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Valorant Error Code VAL59. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Start menu, type Services, and open it. Find VGC, right-click on it, and select Properties. Set the startup type to Automatic, then click Start. Click Apply, and then OK. Second, open the Control Panel and go to Network and Internet. Open Network and Sharing Center, click on your Wi-Fi connection, and select Properties. Open Internet Protocol version 4 and enter 8.8.8.8 as the primary DNS and 8.4.4.8 as the secondary DNS. Then click OK and close all windows. Now open Command Prompt as administrator. Copy and paste the commands shown on screen one by one, press Enter after each, then exit. Finally, restart your PC. So, that's basically how you can fix Valorant Error Code VAL59. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks!